Hi, my name is Fatimah Azzahra binti Ahmadul Hadi and my student ID is 2023480222.
Hi, I am Nik Nur Amalina binti Nik Daud and my ID number is 2023456282.
Hello, my name is Nur Nasirah Afiqah binti Nazeri and my ID number is 2023474274.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noorfaridzal bin Azmi. My student ID is 2023889682.
Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Nazera. I will explain the concept of compound interest and list all the formulas. Concept of the compound interest is the interest calculated on the principal and the interest accumulated over the previous period. It is different from simple interest, where the interest is not added to the principal while calculating the interest during the next period. In mathematics, compound interest is usually denoted by CI. Here is the formula that we need to use in compound interest. S equal to P times 1 plus I power of n. And the second one is I equal to S minus P. S is denoted as future value, P is for principal amount, I for periodic interest rate, and for number of times interest in year.
For question 2A, we need to find the accumulated amount at the end of investment and the interest earned. The formula we will use is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power of n. S equal to 12,500 bracket 1 plus 0.085 divided by 4 power of 48. So the accumulated amount is 34,296.46. To find the interest earned, we need to use the formula I equal to S minus P. 34,296.46 minus 12,500. The amount will be 21,796.46. For question 2B, they didn't give us the amount of investment which is S, but they did give us the accumulated amount 5,618.95. So we need to find the value of S. To find the amount, we need to use the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I power of n. 5,618.95 equal to S bracket 1 plus 0.085 divided by 2 power of 16. S will be 2,186.94. For the last question, you need to add another 1,500 in the same account and you need to find the accumulated amount for the next 2 years. So 5,618.95 plus 1,500 equal to 7,118.95. So after that, we add the amount into the formula. S equal to 7,118.95 bracket 1 plus 0.085 divided by 2 O of 4. And the accumulated amount for the next 2 years will be 8,408.53.
Today we are going to discuss about annuity. So let's get started. Annuity is a series of equal payments made at an equal interval of time. In each case, equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time. There are a few examples of annuity, which is short rental, insurance policy, installment payment, and annual dividends. These can also be divided into two types, which is future value of ordinary annuity certain and present value of ordinary annuity certain. So, what is future value of ordinary annuity certain? Future value or accumulated value of an ordinary annuity is the sum of all the future value of the periodic payments. It measures how much a series of regular payments will be worth at some point in the future given a specified interest rate. Therefore, S is future value, A is present value, R is periodic payment, N is term of investment, and I is interest rate per interest period. Next, let us see what is present value of ordinary annuity certain. Present value or initial value of an ordinary annuity certain is the sum of all the present value of the periodic payments. Present value calculations tells you how much money would be required now to produce a series of equal payments in the future given a specified interest rate. For the present value, we can also find the interest amount using the formula I equal to N times R minus A.
My name is Fatimah. Let me show you an example question for Annuity. Question 4a. Zai must pay RM 1,300 every month for 25 years to settle the housing loan, which charge 3.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the cash price of the house and the total interest charge. In this question, we are using the present formula, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of minus N over I close bracket. In this question, R and I has been given, which is R equal to 1,300, I equal to 0.035 over 12, and N equal to minus 300. The final answer for this question is RM 259,676.15. Question for B1. Kamal decided to buy a television set for RM 8,000 and agreed to pay for it with 24 equal monthly payment at 1.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the monthly payment. In this question, we are using the present formula, which is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of minus N over I close bracket. In this question, A and I has been given, which is A is 8,000, I is 0.015 over 12, and N is negative 12 times 2 equal to 24. And you will get R equal to 8,000 over 23.6290. And the final answer for this question is 338.57. Question for B2. Calculate the interest paid by Kamal. In this question, we are using an interest formula, which is I equal to N times R minus A. N is 24, R is 338.57, and A is 8,000. And the final answer for this question is 125.68. Question B3. If Kamal fails to pay for the first third payment, how much should he pay on the fourth payment to settle the outstanding arrears? In this question, we are using the future formula, which is S equal to R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N minus 1 over I close bracket. In this question, R is 338.57, I is 0.015 over 12, and the final answer for this question is 1,356.82 ringgit.